This will be a speed test between the OnePlus 6T versus the Pocophone F1. Now they both have the Snapdragon 845. The OnePlus 6T has 8 gigs of RAM. The F1, this one has 6. Turn on both at the same time, see which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. And give the boot up win to the F1. And we are in! Nothing open in the background on both. As you can see, all caches have been cleared. So let's get started with the Messages app. Dead heat. Camera. Very close again. Clock on both. Start the stopwatch. Leave that running. Chrome browser, go. Click on or search for GSM Arena. Go. Looking at the progress bar. Very similar performance, maybe a little bit faster on the 6T. Go to the desktop version, go. Looking at the bar, very similar performance. Again, maybe the 6T by a split second, but not that big of a difference. Calculator. You guys are the judges. Play Store. Click on this app. Leave it there. Amazon. So fast. Click on this deal of the day. eBay. Too close. Super Mario Run. Ooh, and give this to the 6T. F1 lagging a little bit here. What is going on with a Pocophone F1? Not looking good on this one for some reason. I don't know. Temple Run 2. Loading on both. Ooh. Give this to the F1. Tap to play. Leave it there. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in on a 6T. Will the F1 catch it? And give this to the OnePlus 6T. Asphalt 9. Give this to the 6T. Tap the play button. PUBG, go. $60 a little bit ahead. Will the F1 catch it? Probably not. And we'll give this to the OnePlus, as you can see. San Andreas. Let's go. Looking at the progress bar, OnePlus 6T way out in front. And give this to the OnePlus. Twitter on both. OnePlus. Instagram. OnePlus. Snapchat. OnePlus again. Let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background, so you can see. So we'll go ahead and check Instagram right now. Good to go. Twitter, same place. San Andreas, still in RAM. PUBG, good to go on both. Asphalt 9, still in RAM. Angry Birds 2, still in RAM on both. Temple Run 2, paused and ready to resume. Mario Run, this app is not running for some reason on the Pocophone. eBay, good to go. Amazon, little bit of a slowdown on the right. Play Store, good to go. Calculator, a little bit of a stutter on the Pocophone. Browser, same web page. Clock, still running the stopwatch. Camera, a little bit faster on the 6T. And the Messages app, boom. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this matchup. These two phones offer you best bang for buck, with the Pocophone F1 coming in at around the $300 price range. Which one would you rock? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.